to use Afterpay gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Afterpay gift card. So first of all you have to do is just simply go to the Afterpay's official website, and over here just simply scroll that they have to offer, and just simply select the one that you will like the most. For example, I want to buy this particular Amazon gift card right here. And after that, just simply see the details of this particular card, the expiration date and terms and condition of the card. And after that, you can simply scan this particular code right here, and you can get this particular card into your wallet. And once you get the card, in order to use this, so just open your Amazon account, and after that just select the kind of the product that you would want to buy from your Amazon account. And after that, just enter your address on which you want to get this order delivered. And after that, under the payment method section, just first enter the gift card that you have just bought from your Afterpay account, and after that just simply add the gift card code right here and click on apply. And whatever the amount of the product that you are buying from your Amazon account will automatically deduct from the gift card that you are using from Afterpay. And after that, just enter other details like your payment method if you want to use it, and just complete your transaction. And so this is basically how you will be able to use that. So that's how you will be able to use your Afterpay gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.